If someone sues you over your digital product's content, maybe for copyright infringement, false advertising, or mistakes in your work, the legal cost can be crushing. With Next Insurance, you can file a claim directly through your account as soon as you're notified of a lawsuit. You'll submit details about the claim, share any evidence you have, and your coverage can help pay for legal defense, settlements, or damages. This protection is especially important for digital products, where disputes can arise over designs, templates, or course material, even if you created them yourself. Combine that protection with PDF farming to automate the sales and delivery side of your business. Link for Next Insurance and PDF farming are in the description. Get covered today and protect your digital business from costly surprises.